All right, we are going to measure angle BAC, and then we are going to draw the line AC. Okay, because we need BAC, right? So we'll draw the line AC later, whereby angle BAC is 140 degrees. Later, we are going to cut this line into half at 90 degrees, which is called the perpendicular bisector. And finally, we are going to cut this angle P here, into half, which is called the angle bisector. All right, so firstly, my protractor here, should I place it at B or should I place it at A? Okay, you look at the center. I need a angle BAC, somewhere lah. All right, so you will place your protractor at A, like this. Of course, you can also place your protractor like this, which means that your C can either be below or on top lah. Now, for the sake of simplifying, we just assume that C is on top. The center of the protractor is at A. So we will now measure angle BAC to be 140. Can you see the black line here? So we will start with the 0 down here. And then we will go until we reach 140. Can you please use the 0 here because the line is from here. Okay, we will measure 140. Use your eyes, make sure you go from 0 to 140. Okay, never mind, not enough space. Yep. Okay, yeah, this is. Okay, so this part here will be on the point A. And then this line will touch the line. So we'll measure until 140. Now what you do is after that, put a mark here. And then you take out your protractor. After that, take a ruler and you draw the line joining A and C. Okay, and that's it. So this angle here will be 140. Now, have you ever seen a Chanel logo before? Chanel logo? Chanel is a brand, right? Like, okay, the Chanel logo looks like this. So this is basically what we need to draw. So for perpendicular bisector, we need to create a Chanel logo. So I need to put my needle, everyone do now. Put your needle at A, open more than half. Don't open so big, open more than half. Okay, can you do it now? So what you do is, we will draw part of the Chanel logo like this. Okay, so do the same for B. Put the needle at B. Okay, tell yourself, draw the Chanel logo. Draw the Chanel logo. Okay, the worst thing that could happen is students stop here. Well, that's the worst thing. You get no marks at all. Yeah, you must draw the line. Really, this is the saddest moment of your life when you don't draw this. Oops, I'm sorry, a bit off. Okay, now the red line is the one that we want. That's called your perpendicular bisector. Again, where do I join? When the Chanel logo intersect at these 2 points here, this is where you will join. You never open the compass enough, right? It will look like this. It cannot, this one cannot, this one cannot. Hey, draw again, draw again. Now, the worst one is you never listen. You open up very little, and then when you draw, it becomes like that. Okay, so what we'll do is, now for angle bisector, remember 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the trick is to remember 1, 2, 3. Now, open your compass, okay, to a comfortable level. That means not too big, not too small lah. Okay, ready? If ready, can you all look up for a while? This one you need to follow. Okay, this is called angle bisector. The way to remember is I will draw 1, 2, 3. And this is how you do it lah. Okay, everybody say 1. 1. Okay, so this is point 1. Where do you think I'll put this at point 2? This is point 2. Okay, again, this is point 1. Now I have a point 2, right? So, okay, can you say 2? Quite ugly, So what you can do now at point 2, you can actually open up your compass a bit. You can open up. This one you can open up. So I draw a point 2 now. Okay? Okay, then this will be your point 3. So now you put your needles at point 3 and you draw. So the angle bisector is joining the point 1 with where you form an X. So this red line is your angle bisector. It will cut the angle P into half. 1, point 2 now. And you draw. This red line is your angle bisector. It will cut the angle P into half. Right? Okay, that's all.